If you want to change the display language on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a moment. Whether your app is showing the wrong language or you just want to switch to something more comfortable, this is a very simple setting to change once you know where to find it. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open X on your device and look at the left side menu. You'll want to click the More icon, which is usually shown as 3 dots or a similar menu symbol. This is where X keeps a lot of its extra settings and account options. Once you click More, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is the main area where you can manage your account, privacy, notifications, and display preferences. After that, look for Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Go ahead and click that section because this is where X groups all of its language and display controls together. Inside that menu, select Languages. Now you're in the right place to adjust the language settings for the app and posts you see on X. Next, click App and Post Languages. This option lets you choose a new display language for the app interface and content-related language preferences. You should now see a list of available languages. Simply choose the language you want from the list, and X will update the display language accordingly. Depending on your device or app version, the change may take effect right away, or you may need to refresh the app or reopen it to see everything updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed the display language on X, also known as Twitter. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go, and now you can use the platform in the language that works best for you. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one.